In a moment, you will get to check out a sample Enviz space. You can explore your space in many ways. On the web, right here, that's just one place it lives. On a headset, your design meeting becomes the moment they get it. On a phone or tablet, it goes with you, to the office, the showroom, the lot. Your client finally sees the whole home, every detail, every connection, the way they will when they're standing in it. Because it's fully mobile, the home stops being just a presentation and becomes a tool. It goes onto the lot, onto the site, wherever a decision needs to be made. Your clients will make confident decisions faster. They walk it with their partner that night, meet you back inside the design tomorrow. One conversation to get to yes instead of 10. And it all lives in one place. Walkthrough, renders, floor plans. Presentation grade, the way it should look in front of your client. When you're finished exploring this example, check out the AI Studio. Type anything you want to see and it's there in seconds.